Hey guys, it's Gigi, and today we will be making Galaxy Slime. I am so sorry that I haven't posted in a month because I've been gone and I wasn't able to make a video. So yeah, thank you so much. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the things you will need are containers. You're gonna need 3. You'll need food coloring. I'm using like Galaxy colors. I'm using these 3. You'll need activator. I'm using contact solution. Glue. I have glue with glitter mixed in. And shaving cream. Okay. The first step is to add your glue. So I'm gonna take my glue bottles and I'm gonna add glue in all of them. So now I have glue in all of them, and the next step is to add my shaving cream. So I'm kind of running out, so that's why the consistency is not great. Okay. And then you want to add your food coloring. So in this one, I'm going to add the purple. In this one, I'm going to add dark blue. And then the last one, I'm going to add this turquoise. And I forgot to add, you will need a mixing utensil, so you can just go ahead and mix them. That's a pretty color. Comment down below which color you like best. Personally, I like that color best. Yeah. Okay, so I really hope this works. And for it to work, we need to add our activator. I have that. I'm just gonna add a little bit in every one and then mix them all and keep adding more until it gets to a good consistency. Okay, so this is the first one. I just kept adding contact solution and mixing it, and it's activated. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. Okay, so this is the second one. It's a lot less sticky than the first one. And I didn't have to add any more activator. I just kept mixing, and the little bit of activator that I added at the beginning worked out. So yeah, on to the next one. This is the third one. I had to add a teensy bit of activator because the consistency was really weird. But it's good now. And it's a little sticky. And I think we're ready to make our galaxy. Okay, so these are all of them. This one's really sticky. And I'm gonna add them all together. I'm really excited about how this is gonna turn out. It's sticky, but it looks really cool. I'm just gonna add some activator. Now it's all mixed in, but I still love this color. I think it worked out pretty well, the Galaxy Slime. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would really help a lot. I really appreciate it. And if you have any requests for videos that I should do, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.